Have you ever looked up at the night sky, admiring the countless pinpricks of light, and wondered if what you were seeing was a distant sun or perhaps something closer, made by human hands? The fundamental difference is quite simple. A star is a massive, self-luminous celestial body that generates its own light and heat through nuclear fusion, billions of miles away. A satellite, on the other hand, is a man-made object orbiting Earth or another body in space, which shines by reflecting sunlight. The reason stars appear as tiny and changing points of light is their immense distance. They are truly enormous, but so far away that their light arrives as a mere pinpoint. This light often appears to twinkle because it passes through Earth's turbulent atmosphere, getting bent and scattered along the way. Satellites, however, are much closer to us, orbiting our planet, typically hundreds or thousands of miles above. They do not produce their own light. Instead, they catch and reflected the sun's rays, much like our moon does, making them visible to us when the sun is below our horizon but still illuminating their orbital path. So, how can you tell them apart when you are gazing upwards? The easiest way is by observing their movement. Stars appear fixed relative to one another in the night sky, slowly drifting across your view as the Earth rotates. Satellites, by contrast, move noticeably and steadily across the sky, usually in a straight line over a few minutes. They often do not twinkle like stars because their light is reflected from a much closer source and does not pass through as much of our atmosphere in the same way. Also, satellites are typically only visible during twilight hours, just after sunset or before sunrise, because they need the sun to illuminate them while your location on Earth is dark. An interesting detail is that the brightness of both stars and satellites is measured by something called apparent magnitude. Brighter objects have lower or even negative magnitude numbers. Some of the brightest stars have negative magnitudes, and certain large satellites or those that reflected sunlight particularly well, like the International Space Station, can also achieve negative magnitudes, appearing brighter than most stars. You might even be lucky enough to spot a train of newly launched satellites, like those from Starlink, appearing as a string of pearls moving across the sky, which is a truly unique human-made phenomenon. Understanding this distinction deepens your appreciation for the vastness of our universe and the incredible achievements of human engineering. It allows you to connect with both the natural wonders of the cosmos and the tangible impact of our technological progress, all just by looking up.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.